Because we've got a few rounds of wintry weather for the northern tier. We're not out of it yet, my friends. A lot of you who live in this part of the country, you're like, all right, this is what winter used to be like. And the past several winters have been anything but. Here's what we've got in the forecast. We got a light wintry mix that comes through tomorrow. Most of that for northern portions of Minnesota through the Arrowhead, the northern tier to the Ute as well. Next round comes in Wednesday through Thursday, and then ding, 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 like a boxing match, we got another round coming through. Round 3, the final round, Saturday into Sunday. And wouldn't you know it, you talked about it, it's a holiday. We have Passover that begins on Wednesday. We've got Good Friday on Friday, obviously, and then Easter on a Sunday. So here's what we've got. We've got the cold air up to the north, and there is that first round that I'm talking about, a light mix for northern portions of Minnesota from Duluth to the north, really. A wintry mix over portions of the Ute. I-75 will be one to watch. Mackinac Bridge especially, because you will be getting some icy conditions. We get a bit of a break, and then look what's coming out of the plains. Do we need the moisture here? Because we're talking fire threats here today. This will certainly help out. Wednesday morning, the snow expands over a good chunk of the state of Nebraska into places just over southern Minnesota. The freezing line is a little farther south this round. This is going to be Wednesday at 8 o'clock and then lifts to the north. But with the warmer air starting to nudge and move over the freezing, and we've got some melting and then refreezing at the surface, we've got the chance for some icy conditions here as well. You talked about the northeast. The totals here as far as ice, maybe not quite as high, but 1/10 of an inch of ice is still significant. Thursday evening, 7 o'clock, you've got some more snow coming down. Now, let's talk about the ice. Ice potential, when you got 1/10 to maybe 2/10, 1/4 of an inch of ice over portions of, say, Wisconsin, all the way up into the Ute and northern Michigan, you could be dealing with not only some hazardous roads, but potential problems with power. I say get everything that you need now just in case. Medications for yourself, your pets, the kids, food. If you lose power, how am I going to stay warm behind it? Because the temperatures behind this are still going to be relatively cold, and the cold air is still in place here. When you got the cold air in place and you still have more in the way of the snow, we will see at times some blowing snow. Some of the winds will be 30 to 40 miles per hour, but you've got that on top of 6, 7, 8 inches of fresh snow. We're in trouble there. So we'll watch for some blowing snow. Some spots, isolated spots for the Arrowhead, especially with some of that wraparound coming over portions of Lake Superior, you may get more like 1 foot of fresh snow. So let's take a look at Sioux Falls, South Dakota. If you're going to be traveling, a lot of these interstates, especially from 80 to the north, parts of 90, 94, will be getting in on the action. If you're in Sioux Falls right now and you're like, Bane, Haley, what are you guys talking about? It's going to be 80 degrees today. Well, you're going to feel the winds pick up tomorrow. The cold air starts to move in. It's a different air mass. And look at Friday. Freezing rain is back in the forecast. A lot of people are off from school and from work, but it's probably good because we don't want to be on the roads in these types of conditions. Minneapolis, same for you. You're at 75 today. Fantastic. But, Bane, look at the rest of the week with these rounds of rain and freezing rain and snow coming through. It is all different once we round out the week. And I know a lot of people are on spring break. If you're home, it's not going to feel quite like spring.
I know. It's a rude awakening. It just hits you like that.
Boom, wake up.
Let us go, winter. We're tired. We're tired. Craig, thank you so much for that. But we've got to watch out for some of those icier conditions for folks.
Sure.
Thanks again, Craig.
You got it.